you guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lauren. So if you all are new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're not new, welcome on back. So, if we're going by how many subscribers I have, 200 of y'all are not new here. So welcome back. So as you can tell by how I just worded that, today's video is literally just me saying thank y'all so much for 200 subscribers. If you all have been following me for a couple months now, well, way more like the past year, 200 subscribers has been my goal. Like in every video, I would say, please subscribe to my channel, help me reach 200 subscribers, and then here we are. In freaking May of 2020, actually the end of April is when I reached it. I reached 200 subscribers. As y'all know, I've been doing YouTube since September 2017. September 2017. It's been 2.5 years. I've been working on it on and off, but more consistently, more recently, and my work has definitely paid off, and I reached 200 subscribers. And that's really freaking bomb. Because at the beginning of this year, I didn't have this. I had maybe 160. So the fact that I got 40 subscribers based off my own consistency, I'm so proud of myself. Y'all don't even know. I'm so proud of myself. And I just really wanted to thank y'all. It's I can't say thank you enough. It's 200 million thank you. I can't even vocalize how thankful I am. Super happy that I finally reached this milestone. And if you have subscribed and made my 200 subscribers possible, thank you so much. Even if you aren't subscribed and you watch my videos, I still want to thank you. But especially if you came and you subscribed, that has, I don't even know. I can't even word what I'm trying to say. I am genuinely so freaking happy. And I was kind of scared to post this because when you talk about how you reach the milestone and you look up and you'll lose 10 followers or 10 subscribers, and that has happened to me before. I finally reached the milestone and I lost subscribers. So I've been kind of scared to upload this and to make it a thing that I reached 200 subscribers. But I'm so happy. The last thank you video I made was when I reached 50 subscribers. And I've gained 150 more subscribers since then. And that's freaking crazy. It's really crazy. I'm so happy. I don't even know what to say. The video is just thank you for my subscribers. Thank you for 200. Even though I'm so happy I reached 200, that's not where I want to end, obviously. My next goal now, y'all know I do it in small increments. My next goal is 250, but my big goal is 500. And once we reach 250, we already halfway there. I'm pretty much halfway from 500. And hopefully by the end of this year, I'll be making another one of these videos for 500 subscribers. I don't even know. But yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty much rambling on. I just want to say thank y'all so much for subscribing to me, for supporting me, and just continuing on with me on my little journey. I'm so happy that y'all are here, and I'm happy that I'm still doing this, and it's pretty dope. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I thank y'all. I thank God. I thank all the nice and beautiful and wonderful support I've gotten. So again, thank you so much. So if you all enjoyed this video, I know it's a super short video, but if you all enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below any future videos y'all want to see, or just whatever you want. Comment down below. Share this video with a friend. And lastly, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like I just said this whole video, thank you for 200, but we're still on the way up. 250 is my next goal. Help me reach that. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see y'all in my next video.